If you want to set up an alarm clock on iPhone 17, what you need to do is we need to go to the clock app. So if you don't know where to find it, the easiest way to find it is by simply going to the app library, and then you should be able to find it over here. Now, once you go to the clock, you can switch to alarms, and over here you can set up an alarm. So you can create your first one by pressing set up over here, or you can press this plus in the upper right corner. Now in here we can choose at what time the alarm should go off. So let's say we're gonna set it to 10 a.m. You can also choose if the alarm should repeat or not. You can create or write a label for the alarm. We can also choose a custom sound for the alarm. We can also add the snooze button and adjust the duration. And then once you are done, press this check over here in the top right corner. You can also turn off the created alarm just by tapping on the switcher. You can also customize it by tapping on it, of course, or delete it if you decide that you don't need it anymore. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.